What's up, guys? Crazy Snapper is back. We have gotten the handles on this mug right here, and we're going to trim up the bottoms. This marble mug. They're starting to dry out a little faster than I thought, so I better get to trimming. So stick around and check it out. That's looking pretty good here. I'm gonna take 3 pieces, get them into position. And here's my young little helper, poking his head in the garage. How's it going, little guy? Good. That's good. What you guys doing?
He left.
Oh, he left?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's starting to leave.
Okay, cool.
I hope his sweatshirt's not here.
I hope so. I'm gonna try to trim up this bottom.
No. Can I do a pottery piece?
What are you gonna make?
You'll see.
Huh?
I'm gonna do it on yours.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, but it's gonna be big. You'll see what I'm gonna make. Dad, you're gonna record.
I am, huh?
Yes.
Oh, well, what channel are we gonna put it on?
My channel.
Your channel?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh no, can you get me a sponge out of that bottom drawer?
Why?
Because I need to just round off the bottoms. With like a little sponge.
Oh, you mean on the little one?
Yeah.
This one?
Let's see. No, just there a smaller one.
This is the smallest one I can find.
Let's see. That's a good one. Can you find me a little water now?
Yeah, sure.
Apparently my assistant is not coming back with my water. I do have a little bit of water right here, so I shall press on. I'm gonna take a little sponge here. Just try to smooth out the bottom just a little bit. Oh, here.
Dad, I'm saving some for me.
You are.
That's why I got a big one.
Nice.
Big one.
Good idea, bud.
That's a lot.
Good idea. I like it.
I love that. Look at bending.
Holy cow, you got a lot of water there, buddy.
And I could hold it with one hand.
Because you're so strong. There we go. I think this one looks done, huh? What do you think, buddy?
Yeah, time for me to make a pottery piece.
You think so, huh?
Yeah. I'm gonna go try.
Pop off these pieces and we'll pick it up. Take a look.
So you just made that one?
Yep. Put the handles on.
How are you gonna lift it up?
There we have it, guys.
What?
This one is all trimmed up. Bottom's done. Handles on. Marbling looks spectacular. Now we just gotta let it dry up. Fire it up in the kiln.
And let's see you next time.
And we will see you next time. Thanks for watching.